Picture this. You've bought a shiny new car with your hard-earned cash. You've only had it a year or so. Then it gets written off by an accident or theft. Not to worry, you've got comprehensive insurance cover. You can just replace it like for like, right? Maybe not. With comprehensive motor insurance, if your car is a total loss, your insurance company may only pay out the current market value of the vehicle, which is likely to be less than what you paid for it, or could even be less than any outstanding finance you may have left on it. That means you'll have to settle for a car that isn't as good as the one you had. That is, of course, only if you don't have asset protection insurance. Asset protection insurance will pay you the difference between your insurance valuation and the original price of your car or any outstanding finance, meaning you won't be out of pocket. And means you can enjoy peace of mind cover for up to 48 months following your purchase, depending on the length of cover you choose. For more information, get in touch with one of our dedicated business managers at your nearest dealership today. All drivers must have comprehensive motor insurance cover. Vehicles used for taxi or hire and reward are excluded. Terms and conditions apply.